How to delete Facebook account permanently. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to delete your Facebook account permanently. Whether you're looking to take a break or permanently part ways with Facebook, I've got you covered, so let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and simply go to facebook.com. Here, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to delete. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down a little bit and simply go to Settings. From here, go to See More in Account Center. Now, tap on Personal Details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Now, choose the account that you want to delete. Tap on Delete Account. Click on Continue. Once you've done that, you'll be asked whether you want to delete your pages as well. Tap on Continue. Now, you need to choose a reason why you're deleting your Facebook account. Choose one of the following and click on Continue. Tap on Continue again. And once you've done that, you'll be able to simply tap on Delete. And that's it. That's how you can simply delete your Facebook account permanently.